The two very famous and talked about teams, India and West Indies, have been tended to give a tough competition to each other. However, the team being each other's favourite, offering a well-liked competition among the folks can be a trouble-free journey throughout. It is hard to believe. There are a number of controversies associated with both teams. Some incidents either at the beginning or the end ultimately have proven the worthy by turning into controversies. Let's take a glance at some of the worth-knowing controversies between India and West Indies. News Desk.